Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant shopping drops notifications from Instagram and want to enjoy a more peaceful scrolling experience, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to turn off those shopping drops notifications on Instagram, step by step, with the latest method for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control notifications for all your apps, including Instagram. Once you're in your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list. Usually, you can either scroll or use the search bar at the top to make it quicker. After you tap on Instagram, you'll see a bunch of options related to the app. What you're looking for is notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Look for notification categories or something similar. This is where Instagram breaks down all the specific notifications it wants to send. Inside the notification categories, scroll until you find the option labeled Shopping Drops. This is the one responsible for those alerts about new product launches and sales. To turn off Shopping Drops notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Shopping Drops. Once it's off, you won't receive any more notifications about Shopping Drops from Instagram. It's that easy. Taking control of your notifications can make your Instagram experience much more enjoyable and less distracting. Remember, you can always come back and turn this option back on if you ever change your mind. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn off Shopping Drops notifications on Instagram with a few quick taps. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Instagram feed.